If you're the go-getter type that has a roof problem, you might be weighing your options as to whether or not it's better to hire a contractor or to do it yourself. Well, before you pick up that hammer and do roof work, we're here to explain the 5 things that you need to keep in mind before doing any DIY work on your roof. I'm Brandon Hafeli with Bill Reagan Roofing Company, and thank you so much for watching the Roofing Channel. Let's jump in. Voiding warranties. Now, pretty much every material and every component on your roof has a stipulation in the fine print saying that if anybody besides a professional tampers with it, the warranty, workmanship, or material is going to be voided. Now, what working on entails usually depends on the contract or the warranty fine print, but it can be as lenient as you having to directly work on the component before the warranty is voided, or as strict to where if you work on any part of the roof, then the entire roof system is going to be voided. Be sure to check on the area specifically with the material fine print of the manufacturer and the contractor who may have installed it to see what those warranties are and what will be voided if you decide to work on your roof. Working on a roof is dangerous. It probably doesn't need to be said, but working on a roof is dangerous and it can result in serious injury or perhaps worse. That's the #1 reason why anytime we're talking about even getting up on a roof, even insinuating it, we always give a disclaimer to leave it to the professionals. Even if you do your research, you use the proper safety equipment, the proper methods, and go outside when it's dry, there are still things that can get you hurt, such as falling through decking that you can't account for. So please, leave it to the professionals. DIY projects take time. Like any project, especially home improvement projects, roof work can end up being a lot more than you initially bargained for. Between buying the materials, doing the research, getting up and down the roof, and much, much more, that's time that you're never going to get back. By hiring a professional who will take care of that work for you, you can save that time and spend it doing something that I'm sure is going to be much less frustrating. You need the right tools. We find that the amount of equipment required and materials is often much more expensive than a homeowner may think in order just to do even a small roof job. To give an example of what you'll need for just a simple pipe boot repair, you'll need the actual pipe boot itself, you'll need shingles that match the rest of your materials, you'll need specialized roofing nails, you'll need caulking, you'll need ice and water shield, and that's just for one repair. Make sure you need to do the work. Going back to warranties, you always want to make sure that there aren't any warranties or guarantees that are going to cover any work that you would do yourself. If you try and don't succeed on a roof repair or some kind of roof work, then you've sunk that time, effort, and money into it when you could have just gotten somebody out to fix it in the first place. Lastly, in the case of storm damage or other natural events, there's always a chance that your insurance company will pay a professional to fix it for you. So there you have it. Those are the 5 things to keep in mind before you even consider doing any DIY work. Now, if you're still thinking with everything in mind that you want to do the work yourself, then at the end of the day, it's your property and you can do what you want with it. Just be sure to educate yourself and be safe. If you're leaning more in the route of hiring a contractor, then click on the link below or at the end of this video and watch our video on how much roof repair costs to better educate you before talking to a contractor. I'm Brandon Hafeli with Bill Reagan Roofing Company, and thank you so much for watching the Roofing Channel. Remember to like and subscribe so we can grow and help educate more homeowners like yourself. And if you have any ideas on what to do next, then leave a comment below and we'd be happy to make a video answering the question for you. We'll see you next time.